Book of Exodus, chapter 2. During the time Pharaoh ordered Hebrew baby boys to be killed, a Levite couple had a son. For 3 months they hid him, but when they could hide him no longer, his mother made a basket coated with tar and pitch, placed the baby inside, and set it among the reeds along the Nile River. The baby's sister, Miriam, stood at a distance to see what would happen. Soon, Pharaoh's daughter came to the river to bathe. She saw the basket, opened it, and found the crying baby. She felt compassion and said, "This must be a Hebrew child." Miriam quickly stepped forward and asked, "Shall I find a Hebrew woman to nurse the baby for you?" Pharaoh's daughter agreed, and Miriam brought the baby's own mother. So the child's mother was paid to nurse and care for him. When he grew older, she brought him back to Pharaoh's daughter, who adopted him and named him Moses, saying, "I drew him out of the water." Years later, when Moses grew up, he saw an Egyptian beating a Hebrew slave. Angered, Moses killed the Egyptian and hid his body in the sand. The next day, he tried to stop two Hebrews from fighting, but one said, "Who made you ruler over us? Are you going to kill me too?" Moses realized his secret was out, and Pharaoh tried to kill him. So Moses fled to Midian. In Midian, Moses helped the daughters of a priest named Reuel, also called Jethro, by protecting them from shepherds and watering their flock. Grateful, Jethro invited him to stay. Moses later married his daughter Zipporah, and they had a son named Gershom. Meanwhile, back in Egypt, the Israelites groaned under slavery and cried out to God. Their cries went up to heaven, and God heard them. He remembered his covenant with Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and he looked on his people with deep concern. Even in dark times, God was preparing a deliverer. Moses' life was saved in a miraculous way, showing that God's plan cannot be stopped by human evil. At the right time, God would raise him up to rescue his people.